Hello again, everybody. I'm super excited because today I get to show you a Throwback Thursday that PfAff is doing for us at Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. They are bringing back their old PfAff Ambition 1.0 machines, which were super duper popular, and we have a great price and a great bundle coming with them. The bundle is valued at about $300, and it includes a whole bunch of goodies, like an extension table, which is fantastic for quilting or your bigger projects. It also includes this little scissor and accessory holder that you can tuck under your machine or on the side of it to hold your accessories. And of course, you can never go wrong with extra bobbins. I know I always have a ton of them, so you've already got 10 extra bobbins that come in the bundle for you. Then of course, you can't go wrong with extra needles and a good pair of scissors for trimming your threads. These scissors are awesome. They've got a very sharp tip, so they're fantastic for that. Along with those bobbins, you do get a little bobbin box that holds those bobbins for you, which, come on, we can always be more organized. That's very exciting. And then for an extra fun goodie that comes with it, there is a circular attachment, which the circular attachment helps you do a lot of extra techniques, kind of do some of these funky designs, all sorts of kind of fun stuff that you can do with it. And along with the bundle, of course, as we know, PfAff has tons of extra fun accessories that you can get. So it comes with a catalog including what all of those are, so that you can go on a shopping spree once you get your machine. But let's get to the part I'm excited about. I want to show you guys what this machine looks like in case you didn't see it back when it was in their lineup, because it is a fun machine that has a lot of cool capabilities, great for a beginner intermediate sewer that's looking for a bigger throat space. So let's get going. It's always the hardest part. All right, so we open it up here. Get rid of some styrofoam. And the first thing, always out of the box, is going to be your foot control. So we do have our foot control that makes it so you can move, control the speed. It does have a speed control on it, which I love. Let's see. Whoop, and you can't go anywhere without your power cord. So we got to keep that around too. Whoop. They pack them nice and well. Then of course, you've got your user's manual and the warranty card. So what's so cool about these throwback machines is that they are actually brand new machines from the manufacturer. They're brand new machines from that manufacturer. What happened was they found a whole bunch of parts for them, and they asked PfAff, hey, you want us to make more? And they said sure, and we at Rocky Mountain went, yes, let's get some. So, ready for the big reveal? Move the box here. Close to the big reveal. Right away, we see right here that we have a nice hard cover on the machine. Now, take that bag off. So you get a nice hard cover for traveling on the machine. And if I take that off, there she is. Right here is going to be that PfAff Ambition 1.0. You can tell it's got that pretty pink color and some more styrofoam. And on this machine, you've got a decent throat space right here. You do have your integrated dual feed technology. Press your foot up and down. And I'm going to peek at it real quick. Some cool things that it does have your start-stop button. So even if you like to use your foot control, if you need to have it unplugged because you have a big dog that likes to get in the way or something like that, you can use that stop-start instead. It does have the speed control right here. And then I'm going to show you the fun stitches that comes with it too, once I take her out. All those fun stitches. So there's quite a few, not an overwhelming amount, but enough to get started, have some fun. It is a great beginner machine, a great way to kind of learn your ways around quilting or any of those kind of fun things. So if you're looking for an affordable machine with PfAff's incredible integrated dual feed technology, this machine might be the one for you. Come check it out. We'd love to show you.